Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So for today is I'm gonna make a short video and then also it goes and I'm gonna show to you how to change the name of your audio devices in the Bluetooth. So let's go over here and go to the Bluetooth and then also here it goes and you just are gonna have to change all the way what devices what you want to change the name. So over to this one. So if you're gonna check click that gear icon over there and you can see all the information right here is you can also you have the pen is the device details. You're just gonna have to click that and then you're just gonna have to change the name of your Bluetooth device. So okay, right.